Okay, Miss Varsha Talukar. So, अपनी BA Honors Course in Geography from Miranda House, University of Delhi in 2009. Then you have done MA in Geography from Delhi School of Economics in 2011.
Yes.
And what are you doing since then?
So I worked for a year in the Institute of Technology as a research analyst, and then I started my preparation for UPSC Civil Services. And then I was also trying for UGC, and I was also pursuing yoga. So all these led to time and then
Okay. Okay, still, but yeah, this is a general enough question. So, what is your reading of the picture of India's job market?
So the future of India's job market is really bright. We have, since we have a demographic dividend, and therefore we have a lot of potential in our midst. And now with skilling, Skill India Mission, and then Making India Mission, so then Startup India, all these are culminating into a future where we can expect growth in the job market.
But if you look at the Indian progress of the Indian economy, it has often been said to be a jobless growth. As you can see that 90% of employment is in the informal sector, and of course there are a number of problems. So what steps can be taken to improve the situation?
So it is true that we have a large informal sector, which is the basis of our employment structure. But as we see that we have different approaches to cover them under
Okay. Since you have a background in geography, can you tell me that this time of the year there is regularly reports of increasing pollution in different Indian cities. So why exactly does it increase this part of the year? Can you tell me about the monsoon patterns in India?
India is said to be a monsoonal country. That means monsoon means it's a seasonal reversal of winds. So there are wind patterns which is named after the direction which it blows. For example, southwest direction, and that is when the monsoon winds crosses the Arabian Sea and strikes the western coast of India, and then it travels to eastern coast and then northeast part, and then again strikes the Himalayan foothills and again travels to the Indian subcontinent. So all this involves heating up of the Indian landmass. There is a difference in pressure in the ocean body, and there is a low pressure in the Indian landmass, which attracts the winds, and as a result we get monsoon wind.
There has been a recent report by the World Bank. So they were comparing the progress of Himalayan states like Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh along with the Northeast. So they observed that in Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, in spite of being mountainous countries with difficult territory, they exhibited much higher growth compared to the Northeast India. So why do you think that difference exists?
Sir, one of the reasons which I can think of now is the historicity. There is a notion that due to the narrow 22-kilometer Chicken Neck corridor, it is a very narrow passage, and therefore Northeast is normally seen as cut off or can be easily cut off, and it is not usually considered to be the mainland India. But on the other
so have there been any steps taken in recent years to remedy the situation?
Yes, sir. There has been a number of steps. For example, the Act East India policy, which tries to connect India, northeast part of India, with the Southeast Asia as well as the rest of India. So to boost the commerce, trade, and infrastructure. Then there are other trade routes by Bangladesh and Myanmar and Tripura, Agartala route.
আপনার ঘর তো
Thimphu.
সো অরিজিনালি আপনি কি পুকুরে জন্ম
Originally আমি হাজোৰ হয় ককা হাজোৰ পৰা আহিছে
হাজোৰ বিষয়ে কিবা ক'ব পাৰিব
হাজোৰ বিষয়ে তীৰ্থস্থান হয় ইহাতে হয়গ্ৰীৱ মাধৱ মন্দিৰ আছে পুৱামুখা আছে কেদাৰনাথ মন্দিৰ আছে তীৰ্থস্থান বুলি জানো তাৰপিছত কাম পিতলৰ কাম
পুৱামুখা নামটো ক'ৰ পৰা আহিলে নাজানে
কেইটামান কথা বাগৰি অহা কথা শুনিছোঁ যেনে পুৱামুখাত যোনে যায় তেওঁ মক্কাত যোৱাৰ 1 quarter এনলাইটেনমেণ্ট পায় সেইটো এটা হয় আৰু এটা কথা বাগৰি অহা কথা শুনিছোঁ যে এজন পীৰ তাত মক্কাৰ পৰা একুৱা মাটি লৈ আহি তাতে সাজিছিলে সেইকাৰণেও পুৱামুখা
আচ্ছা রিসেন্টলি এটা প্রজেক্ট যোৱাকালি যোনটো ইনাগুৰেট কৰিছিলে আমাৰ চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰ অসমে যোগী কাপা এই প্ৰজেক্টটোৰ বিষয়ে কিবা জানে
Varsha, what's your opinion on it? And
sociology.
Sociology and geography. So you are a sociologist, right? What is the differences between Marxian socialism and Leninism? Why Lenin has deviated and he was supported, influenced by Marxist philosophy, but then later on he was deviated from his philosophy. Why?
So Marx believed in the clashes of the classes. He believed that there will be a violent revolution, and but Lenin he believed in uniting the workers and working forward, and so it was a little different than Marx.
Maybe the political situation was different in Russia.
Yes.
Okay. Do you think, your lifespan or maybe several interviews or in conversation with other people, you might have heard that people always say, once you get a job, once you get a career, how will you support, how will you manage family, how will you support your family, how to exist? A lot of questions are like that. Why such type of questions are asked to women, especially in Indian women? Why? We never asked to a male couple.
Yes. So there are a few reasons because firstly there was a historical division of labor in which men were the hunter-gatherers and women looking after the family, children and the family. So with Industrial Revolution, the men started going out and the women also they started venturing out, which became more after or during the World War II. So then, so that was when women started working out. But in India, we always had the Parda system, wherein women were confined to the 4 walls of the house and they were expected to look after them.
But in Vedic areas, women were given equal importance.
Yes.
They even write some kind of religious text also. They share all the manuscripts and all. So it was quite a saying that in Vedic ages, women were given full importance.
Yes. In early Vedic period, India had.
My question is very simple. Why is such questions faced by women?
So in my opinion, women are. They have the dual. It is expected that they will. They are take up to both the jobs equally. Like they have to work like they don't have a family, and they have to look after the family like they don't have a work. So it is because of the immense pressure we put on ourselves as women, and also the society which places on women.
Can you think of a women environmentalist from this region?
From this region.
From Assam? Very famous one.
Yes, she is known as the Hargila lady.
What is her name?
I am not able to recall her name at this moment. But
Oh.
she is instrumental in saving the Greater Adjutant stock, which was.
Purnima, some Purnima.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyways. How many national parks are there?
In Assam.
Yes, sir.
5.
Which is the latest one?
So I believe it's Orang National Park.
When it was declared?
So I'm saying I don't remember.
We have how many Lok Sabha constituency?
14.
Okay. There is a particular constituency reserved for C. Which one is this?
I believe so.
Assam Sahitya Sabha, who is the current president?
Kulakar Khalkya.
How he is popular along with his other profession also. He is
Yes.
supposed to be held before government.
DGP of Assam.
There are two states, other states also in India, where deputy collector is known as district magistrate, DM. Can you name two states?
So one other thing is you will have to the attention of the person asking won't be very long. Within that period, you will have to create an impact. Right now, the thing is that impact is not being created. So usually, I always suggest that for every question, try to think of 3 points right at the beginning. Take a couple of seconds, think of 3 points, so that if you have 3 points, you have a good answer automatically, no problem. That will be my suggestion. Jikunu question unless it is a very specific something direct, if I ask you something general, you should always go for this kind of an approach. You cannot immediately think of 3 points. And if you can think of 2 points also, you say that there are 3 major issues. First, if you know 2 points already, you give your 2 points. The third point, even if it is a weak point, it's okay. But I would suggest that is an approach. And again, one more thing you can do is you can prepare short snippets of every topic that you expect. য'ত মানে অকণমান সৰু জাগা এটা এই বস্তুখিনি লিখি ল'বা কাৰণ এটা আনচাৰ দুটা বা তিনিটা লাইনে দিব পাৰিবা তাতকৈ বেছি দিবলৈতো সময় নাই গতিকে you can prepare small snippets that will have that readily available so that when the interviewer asks you don't have to think you already have it ready with this.
Thank you.
So, as I told you also in the training session time, you have to write down the answers. And you are a geography student, you should anticipate a lot of current affair application or problem solving type of questions related to geography. So you are taking a lot of time also sometimes to think. So you are not and I asked about your father's quality, you took so much time. So you have come.
And here in some questions where the interviewer does not know, we don't know who your father is, right? So you can immediately give an answer. How would we know, right? So in these questions, it could say anything. It could say hard work. My father was a very hardworking man. Something. We don't know him, so you can say anything you want. The idea is that we want to know whether you can frame that answer immediately or not.
Your presence of mind is required. Same here also structured as I was saying. The questions are not very difficult. These are the very basic questions. The only thing is that you think too much most probably. Back of the mind it is happening that it's not a straight question. There is never a straight question. That you know action everything. Okay? So you just have to connect some dots. That's it. Okay? 2-3 dots connected, 2-3 points connected, and just have to very okay? And we are not looking for your knowledge base or something like that. It has been already tested in years. Okay? So we just want to look at how good communicator looks. That is your balance of skills. Okay? And percentage. Last time also I said that. Same thing. Those little improvement are there. And see again, Assam Jile, but then short questions like Assam.
Yes.
So Assam Jile should be here. Basic level. and don't take too much time to give an answer. বেশি সময় মনে হয় মানে যদি হাঁটিছে 2 দিন খাই তো there is no good activity after that will try.
Now look at your hand. What are you doing?
Which
You are
is
doing like this. And when sir asked you that sociology question, you did like this. When you thought, finished now, I am finished. I told you, hand you keep at a distance. See, you started like that. Afterwards, you started playing with your fingers. Unconsciously it happens. So you have to practice at home with your family members. Okay? Okay.